Hi guys, it's our last subjects, PE and computer. So for our computer, last time our lesson is for our PE, we last time we learned about moving with objects. Now we're gonna learn about moving with others. Okay? So moving, when you do movements, you usually do this with others, with your classmates, can be your best friend, classmates, or other pupils in your class. So movements can be done individually, with a partner, or with a group. Okay? Again, movements can be done individually, with a partner, or with a group. So let's go first, moving individually. When you move by yourself, you move individually. You are alone in doing the activity. So like this one, like in the picture, Dana is moving alone. So she is moving individually. Okay? So this one is moving individually. Now let's go to number 2. Moving with a partner. Two pupils are dancing are called partners. Partners do the same movements or opposite movements. So this one, they are dancing, moving with a partner. They are playing throwing and catching, moving with a partner. Okay? So kapag with a partner, it's you are with a partner, okay? You are two pupils, okay? Individually, it's only one. Moving with a partner, two. Now, let's go to moving with a group. Moving with friends is such fun. The pupils are playing as a group. You are moving with a group if there are three or more, or doing the activity. So so this one is three or more. They are playing volleyball. So four pupils playing soccer. Okay, so they are moving with a group. Let's review. Moving individually, alone. Moving with a partner, of course, you are with a partner. And moving with a group, you are with three or more people. It's like a team game, okay? Now, let's review. Partner, alone, or individually with a partner or group. Can you please say your answer? Correct. It is individually. What about this one? Part individually with a partner or with a group. Can you please say your answer? Correct. This one is with a group. What about this? That what? Can you please say your answer? Correct. Moving with a partner. Now, please open your book, your MAPE book on page 307. Page 307. So, for this one, you are going to write A, B, or C. A for individually, B for partner, and C for group. Okay, let's start with this one. A, individually, B, partner, or C, group. Number 2, A, individually, B, partner, or C, group. Next, number 3, A, individually, B, partner, or C, group. Next, number 4, A, individually, B, partner, or C, group. And number 5, A, individually, B, partner, or C, group. Very good. Now let's proceed with our computer. So with our lesson natin sa computers are working with files and folders. So now the first one is creating a folder using a right click method. Again, creating a folder using a right click method. So on this, so here are the steps. So on the empty space on the desktop, right click your mouse, click new, and then click folder, type the name of the folder, and then press enter. Okay, so now let's do it. Wait. Remember the steps? Right on the space on the desktop, right click your mouse, click new, click folder, type the name of the folder, then press enter. So let's try. We are now here sa desktop. So what is the first one? On the empty space on the desktop, right click. Right click. So after I right click, ito yung makikita nyo. Okay, you can see view, sort, refresh, and then click new. So if you click the new there, then folder, you can see folder, then click folder there. And then after that, you are going to type. Okay, type the name of the folder. So for example, I'm gonna type my name. Okay, what is my name? Belle Rose. Okay, and then click after typing it, enter. So there, I have now my what? My folder. Now, can you please pause this video and do the, what's this? Try to make a folder. And that folder, you're gonna type your name your folder nung name nyo. Okay, ready? Go! Again, right click. Okay, are you following? Right click, then folder, new, and then folder, and then type your name and then enter. Okay, very good. Now, let's go to the next one. Okay, so we're done creating a folder. Now is renaming a folder using the right click method. So it means renaming, we are going to change the name of our folder. So the steps are right click your mouse pointing to the folder you want to rename, click rename, type the new name of your folder, and then press enter. Again, the steps are right click your mouse pointing to the folder you want to rename, click rename, type the new name of your folder, then press enter. So let's try it. Ready? Let me share my screen first. Okay, so it's now time to rename. Okay, the first folder that I made is this one, rename. So first, we are going to right click to the folder that we want to rename. And then there are choices here, and then click rename. So when you click rename, the name of the folder becomes blue. So type the new name. So like for this time, we are going to type our last name. So my last name is Nadera. And then after typing it, enter. Okay, can you please try? Ready? Try renaming your folder, the one that we made a while ago. Ready? And go rename it. Click on the folder, then click rename, and then type your last name. Your enter. Very good. Okay, you got it already. Now let's go to the next one. For the next one, we are going to copy a file or a folder using the right click method. So for example, here are the steps. Number one, right click your mouse pointing to a file you want to copy. Then choose copy. Open the folder where you want to file to be copied. Right click the mouse, then choose paste. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen and let's do it. Okay, so I'm here already. So this is file. I'm gonna transfer, I'm gonna paste it to here sa ano, not clearance, to this one, new folder. Okay, so first right click, okay, copy, find the copy, and then open where you want um, to transfer or to be copied. Okay, so I want it here. And then I will click here, paste. Let's see, there. Okay, the Nadera folder, it's already here. Okay, so now, can you please copy your folder? Okay, transfer it to, and where do you want to transfer it? It's okay, set documents or downloads or new folder. Ready? Go. Okay, you're done? Okay po. Very good. Now let's have another, our last one. Okay, for this, the next one, we are going to use the shortcut, copying a file or a folder using the keyboard shortcut. So after we click the not right click, click the file you want to copy, then press Control in your keyboard, Control C for copy, and then go to the place or the folder or the file you want to be copied, and then press Control V. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so this one, point, do not right click, okay, just point, just click. Okay, it's already selected. Then let's use the Control C. It means copy. Control, click in our in our keyboard, Control C. So look, it's already copied. This time I will transfer it here in this folder. Okay, so I'm here already. So I'm going to I'm gonna click here, Control V. Let's see what will happen for pasting. Control V. There. The Nadera file folder that I made is already here. It's pasted here. Okay po, now can you please try it on your own using Control C for copy and Control V for pasting. Ready? Go, point, then in your keyboard, click Control C. Very good. Transfer it. Choose the location where you want to put it, and then click Control V for pasting. Very good. Okay, now please get your computer book. Open it on page 161. Computer book, open it on page 161. So fill in the missing letters to name the following commands. So these are the commands that we uh, learned today. Write your answer in the space provided. Okay? So, what is missing here? I'm gonna say na lang po and then write the missing letters. This one is copy. Copy. Go, please copy. Next, rename. 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 Okay, next, move to. Move to. Next, new folder, new folder. And the last one, paste, paste. Okay. Now, for your book work, you are going to write 1 to 5. Okay, in creating a folder using your right click method. So what is the first step? Write number 1. Second step, write number 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, is it click folder? Type the desired name for your folder. Right click your mouse on the empty space on the desktop. Click new or press enter key. Okay, write 1 to 5. So not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So choose which one. Arrange which one is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay, next, let's go to renaming a folder. Okay, renaming a folder. So this time you are going to write 1 to 4. So which one is number 1, Which one is number 2, 3, and 4? I'm gonna read. Click rename. Right click your mouse pointing to the folder you want to rename. Type the new name of your folder and then press enter key. So which one is the first step? Right number 1. Second step, right number 2. Third and then fourth. Okay, right number 3 and 4. So for your assignment, study for our quiz tomorrow and take a picture of our MAPE page 307 and computer pages 161 and 162. Thank you everyone and see you tomorrow. Bye!